In this video, we're diving deep into Azimo, the international money transfer service. We'll cover everything from its features to real-world performance. Check the description for links and details. Azimo helps you send money quickly and affordably to family and friends overseas. It's a convenient alternative to banks or services like Western Union, offering competitive exchange rates and lower fees. Azimo is especially appealing for sending money to developing countries. Send money directly to bank accounts, mobile wallets, or cash pickup locations. Transfers are easy through the Azimo app or website, with a straightforward interface. Your security is ensured with industry-standard encryption protecting your financial information. Azimo is ideal for frequent transfers due to its low fees. It's especially useful for remittances to countries like India, the Philippines, and across Asia, Africa, and Eastern Europe. Azimo supports various payment options, including debit or credit cards and bank transfers. Transfers are often completed within hours, sometimes even minutes, and the app provides real-time tracking. Azimo provides a seamless, budget-friendly international money transfer experience with solid customer support. Whether for personal or business use, Azimo makes international transfers incredibly easy.